What is ashwagandha? What does it do? How to use it? Ashwagandha, derived from the root of the ashwagandha plant, also known as Indian ginseng, is a supplement widely used in Ayurvedic medicine. Belonging to the adaptogen family, it helps regulate metabolism and normalize body functions to develop resistance to stresses. Its root, containing various biological compounds, particularly active compounds called withanolides, is responsible for its health benefits. What is ashwagandha? Ashwagandha, one of the oldest medicinal plants globally, primarily grows in regions like India, the Middle East, and Africa. Scientifically named Withania somnifera, it's also known as winter cherry or Indian ginseng. Effects of ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is particularly effective in controlling stress and offers various benefits, reducing existing stress in the body, boosting energy levels, strengthening the immune system, regulating sleep patterns, alleviating symptoms of depression and anxiety, supporting brain function, providing antioxidant effects. Benefits of ashwagandha. Some of the benefits of ashwagandha include stress reduction, acts as an adaptogenic herb, effectively aiding the body in coping with stress and alleviating related symptoms. Energy and endurance, enhances energy levels and physical endurance, often used by athletes to improve performance and stamina. Strengthening the immune system, supports the immune system with its antioxidant properties, combating free radicals. Regulating sleep, helps regulate sleep patterns, improving sleep quality, and reducing insomnia. Supporting brain health, possesses neuroprotective properties, enhancing memory and cognitive function, while reducing mental fatigue caused by stress, thereby increasing focus duration. Risks and side effects of ashwagandha. During pregnancy and breastfeeding, caution is advised, as sufficient information regarding the safety of ashwagandha usage during these periods is lacking. It may interact with certain medications, particularly immunosuppressants, thyroid medications, antidepressants, and sedatives. Individuals may develop sensitivities or allergic reactions to ashwagandha, warranting discontinuation and seeking medical assistance. How to use ashwagandha. Ashwagandha supplements are available in powder, capsule, or liquid forms, with dosage and usage instructions varying by product. It's typically taken daily, following the recommendations of a healthcare professional. Initial dosages usually range from 300 to 500 mg, with adjustments based on individual needs. Ashwagandha powder can be mixed with water, milk, or smoothies, while capsules can be swallowed directly.